Hello students, today we are going to learn subject Civics, chapter number 3, Rural Local Government Bodies. Okay, so let us start. You can see the picture where you can see like this picture. Who are in picture? Yes, you can easily said these are farmers and where farmers lives. Uh, farmers live farmers live in rural area. So we are going to learn about the rural local self government. Okay, so you know that local self governments are two types. One is rural and another is urban. You can see the concept with the help of picture. You can see the rural life. There lives farmers and less development you can see. And if we see the urban area, you can see there are a lot of development occurs. The buildings, vehicles you can see. Okay, so we are going to deal with the rural government. Okay, so civics word basically mean the study of rights and duties of citizenship. Okay, so rural means village, and India has many villages. You know that in India there are so many people live in rural area, and more people live in rural area also. So there is a need to develop villages, and according to Gandhiji also told go towards village, and for what? Because there is required to development in village also, and for that there is a need of local self government. And if you want to development in village, then we need uh, then we require the local government. Okay, so awareness of civics makes understand the powers and functions of the three organs of government. Which are three organs? One is legislative, another is executive, and third one is judiciary. It helps us to become aware, responsible, and law abiding citizens of our country. And if you see the local self government means, what is the local self government means? Where people elect their responsible representatives among themselves within village, who work for their welfare and provide them all necessary things like food, shelter, education, seeds for agriculture, irrigation, medic- medical, etc. Okay, you know that the need in village is different to the urban area. Okay, so you know that in village there are so many needs like food, shelter, education, seed, agriculture because in village most of the people are farmers, so that seeds and agriculture seeds for agriculture is required. Then irrigation also related with farming, and you know that in rural area there is a lack of medical, so these all things need in village, so that this is responsibility of the local self government. Okay, and how it built when people elect their representative among themselves. Okay, so what is the importance of local self-government? The first is for development of a village. Participation of the local people is very important. Suppose in we require government body, and if the people from the local area, they knows their problem, they knows their need, and so that they can tackle with their difficulties, and they can easily solve their problems. So that this is the main reason, or this is the main importance of that, to participation of local people. Okay, the another is important is local people know their problems and they understand the needs also. Okay, I just discuss about this. Okay, this point also. The third one is local cell body develops local leadership and help to share the burden of state and central government. It is the democracy at the grassroots level. And you know that our country is a very big country, and if the central government and in our country there are so many states and so many district villages, so only central government cannot handle all these things. So we need to small parts, and that is why local body develops local leadership. And if you want to develop leadership, we need we give the chance to our local people also. If they get chance, their leadership can develop. Okay, and help to share the burden of the state. And you know that there is a lot of burden of work on state and country central government also. So they if they share their burden of work towards the local people, then their work is easy to do. So that is why they do this work. It is democracy and the grassroots level. And this local government, it is the last root level. From this the you know that the local government, which is a gram panchayat, and then nagar panchayat, after mahanagar palika. So that all is role are very different. So this we call local self government. So today we it is sufficient for you. We will discuss other information in next session. Okay, thank you.